So many people struggle with difficult relationships or finances. Okay. So how can Ho'oponopono help someone to heal and improve their connections with other?
So, very simple way to just practice this prayer. So, for example, if you have a relationship issue with some XYZ person, you can take the name of the person. You don't have to go to that person physically, or just to talking to the person or saying sorry to the person directly. If you have that courage, go ahead. But at times it happens that conversations also didn't work out because of different kind of emotional ups and downs, right? You are perceiving things in your own way, that person is perceiving things in his own way. It is like you are talking in German and that person is talking in Spanish. You are not able to understand each other languages. Now what to do, how to communicate, right? And you really want to improve the relationship. Then there, this Ho'oponopono prayer works very beautifully. Take the name of the person and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I take 100% responsibility for whatever has happened between us. So I'm really sorry for that, whatever has happened. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for always being there with me. I love you the way you are. So it will help you to accept that person the way the person is. So the moment you are accepting yourself the way you are, you have to accept the other person the way the person is, right?
Yes.
So there you will see that energetically that shift start happening. And in certain cases, you will see the result in the same day. That person will either connect to you, ask you, or if it is not, if it is not meant for you, then some other change will happen, which is acceptable to both of you, right? So it is like relationship. Again, finances is the same thing. So there are money blockages which are not letting you to, getting excelled in your finances. Then you can always say to all my money blockages, dear money, I take 100% responsibility of all my financial conditions, right? All my, whatever the money I am attracting into my life, I take 100% responsibility of it. So, dear money, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Or you can say, dear financial conditions, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And the more you chant, the more, energy will start getting shifted, and your energies will start getting aligned with your own self as well as with the divine. You become one with the divine. That feeling of oneness will start appearing, and you will see that all the blockages start getting removed, and all the things will start getting slowly and slowly aligned with you. And no matter, maybe you will attract, lakhs and lakhs of rupees or crores and crores of rupees in your life. So I bless you with a lot of money and relationship healings in your life, so that you would actually attract all these things in your life.
Thank you, Archana. Uh, while doing this entire process, how important it is to set the right intention when practicing Ho'oponopono, and can someone see the results even if they are unsure or they are skeptical about the entire process?
So very nice question. So again, as I said, it is the universal energy. So even if you are skeptical or if you are a believer, in both ways it is going to work, right? So for example, if you don't know clearly for what I have to pray for, then simply just sit. And even if you don't want to sit, you can, Ho'oponopono is such a beautiful prayer that anytime of the day, in any condition, every time, even if you are cooking or driving, you can chant Ho'oponopono, right? So just say, dear universe, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Just keep on repeating till you feel like, right? Maybe if you feel like, oh, I'm not feeling very connected initially, so then do it only for 5 times, 11 times. Okay. So slowly, slowly you can increase, right? And there, if you are not sure to what condition I have to get referred to this, or then you can do, just say, dear universe, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, because universe knows where exactly to send those prayers. What is the thing you need the most in your life right now? अगर आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है, it will start showing up in your health. Your health eventually starts improving. If it is in your finances that you need the most right now, it will start showing up in your finances. And similarly with your relationship, with your जहाँ भी that divine energy को लग रहा होगा कि wherein your need is most, in what area your need is most, it will start sending those vibrations, those healing powers in that area, and you will feel healed up. And now coming back to intention setting. So if you are clear about, yes, for this purpose, I need to chant Ho'oponopono. So, for example, again, I want to improve my health. So I know that I want to lose my weight, for example. So then that means you need to chant Ho'oponopono for your body. You need to appreciate, you need to accept yourself first the way you are, right? Your body is a engineering marvel, right? So it's the temple. So you need to appreciate, you need to pay gratitude to. So just say, dear body, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And you can always also say that, dear weight, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. But tell your body, appreciate your body, that I accept you the way you are. So I didn't care for you. I was just binge eating and not taking care what you required. So I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. And whenever you see the food, also chant Ho'oponopono, that the food which I am eating is going inside me, healing me and nourishing me, and eventually I am getting healthier and healthier. So this is how you can set the intentions. Similarly, for your relationship, career, money, whatever you want to attract in your life, just tell the universe, this I want, and chant Ho'oponopono. It's going to change your vibrations and you start attracting things in your life.
So you just said earlier that somebody can chant for 11 times or whatever they wish to, right? Is there any specific number where they need to focus upon so that they get more aligned in terms of clearing those negative emotions?
So best way is, Anu, so if you can chant Ho'oponopono right when you wake up in the morning and before sleeping. So these two timings are really very, very beneficial, because at that time we are at, going into the alpha state of mind, relaxed state of mind. So we can sit and chant for 108 times, right? So I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you is the one chant, right? One, you can use that beaded mala also for counting 108, or may use that counters which come usually, and you can chant through that. But initially, if you think that, okay, chanting for 108 could be so overwhelming for me, so there you can start with 5 times, become consistent with that, and then increase to 11 times, then 21 times, then 31 times, then 51 times, and eventually enter into 108. So 108 has the complete vibrations actually. So when you do that full counter, then you will feel that, okay, my energies are completely aligned now. So if you are doing once in the morning, once in the night, magic start happening in your life. You don't have to even apply your brain, how it is shifting, how it is happening. I have seen people giving the testimonials that, oh, while chanting this, I have observed that all my work finished well on time, and also I left with some extra time for myself.
Great.
So there you see that time also start getting dilated for you and you'll be able to do everything the way you really want to. Or if you want, whatever the way you wish other person to behave with you, you will eventually see that, okay, this is happening, everything is getting aligned, or your energies will start getting aligned with that person. So kuch na kuch to hoga hi.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much for answering and explaining it so beautifully.